Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Y-axis.
What does the dictionary say?
Also called axis of ordinates. The axis, usually vertical, along which the ordinate is measured and from which the abscissa is measured.
Math rap.
You'll understand. As your brain relaxes, the line on a graph called the y-axis runs vertically up and down as one. You use it as a reference line to measure from.
Math rap.
What do you use to chop down a tree? Y-axis, of course. Okay, everyone, if they keep asking us the same ridiculous question, let's all agree to answer them with this question. Y-axis. Explain y-axis in your own words. Fun fact, a y-axis is the line on a graph that is drawn from bottom to top, like the flight of a rocket ship going straight into space from Earth. Draw 3 examples of y-axis. Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!